Session 19. Hot Family. A hot pot of soup. One morning, Sarah woke up feeling hot and bothered. Her throat was sore and she couldn't stop coughing. When her mom came to check on her, she noticed that Sarah's face was quite blotchy.
"Are you feeling okay?" asked Mom, feeling Sarah's forehead. "I'm not feeling so hot," croaked Sarah. Her voice was scratchy. "I think you might have a cold," said Mom. "Let's take your temperature." Mom took out the thermometer and put it under Sarah's tongue. After a few moments, she read the temperature. "You have a fever," said Mom. "We need to make you better."
"I don't want to take medicine," Sarah said, wrinkling her nose.
"Don't worry, we don't need medicine," said Mom. "Let's make a pot of hot soup." "I don't like soup," Sarah said, making a face. "Trust me, this soup is tasty and will help a lot," said Mom.
Mom went into the kitchen and started chopping vegetables while Sarah rested in the bed. Soon, the house was filled with the delicious aroma of simmering soup. When the soup was ready, Mom poured it into a bowl and brought it to Sarah. "Have a little, not a lot," said Mom, blowing on the soup to cool it down.
Sarah took a hesitant sip and smiled. The soup was full of tasty vegetables and had just the right temperature. She felt comforted by the warmth and love that went into making the soup.
"Thanks, Mom," said Sarah, feeling much better. "This soup hits the spot." "I'm glad you like it," said Mom, wiping Sarah's forehead with a damp cloth. "Now, rest up and you'll be feeling better in no time. Now answer these questions." You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. How did Sarah feel when she woke up? Question 2. What did Mom do to help Sarah feel better? Question 3. What did Mom tell Sarah to do after she finished the soup? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share World Pointer.